Alright, pizza lovers, let's dive into the tasty past of our favorite food. Picture this, a lively market in Naples, Italy, way back in the day. The air is bursting with the smell of fresh herbs, juicy tomatoes, and warm, baking bread. This is where pizza's epic journey began. It started as a simple flatbread cooked in wood-fired ovens, topped with whatever was on hand. Early pizzas might have just had garlic, olive oil, and some herbs. As new ingredients popped up, they got added to the mix. Tomatoes brought over from the Americas became a game changer. And mozzarella cheese? Oh yeah, it added that creamy goodness we all love. Pizza quickly became the go-to street food in Naples. It was cheap, filling, and absolutely delicious. Everyone from all walks of life could enjoy this tasty treat. The pizza we know today still has that Italian soul, and boy did it have big dreams. If you love this slice of history, hit that subscribe button for more tasty tales, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. The late 1800s were all about new adventures. Millions of Europeans, including Italians, set sail for America, dreaming big. Among them were talented bakers and cooks, bringing their delicious traditions like pizza along for the ride. In places like New York, these Italian newcomers found people ready to dig into their tasty treats. Small pizzerias started popping up, especially in Italian neighborhoods. One of the coolest spots was Lombardi's, which opened in 1905 in Manhattan's Little Italy. Lombardi's is known as America's first pizzeria, and it helped make pizza a big deal in the US. What started as a comforting slice of home for immigrants turned into a tasty adventure, bringing people together and winning hearts. New York City, the ultimate cultural mashup, was the perfect playground for pizza to evolve into an American icon. The city's hustle and bustle, along with its melting pot of people, made pizza the go-to grub for everyone. From busy office bees to night owls, pizza became the ultimate crowd pleaser. New York-style pizza? Oh, it's all about those big, wide slices, usually around 18 inches across. The crust is thin and crispy, but you can fold it up for a perfect on-the-go snack. Toppings? Keep it simple. That way the crust and sauce get to be the stars of the show. Classic toppings include mozzarella, tomato sauce, and a dash of oregano. As New York fell head over heels for pizza, it became a staple of the city's culture. Pizza joints popped up on nearly every corner, each with its own twist on the classic New York slice. This tasty Italian treat spread like wildfire. Starting from its humble beginnings in New York City, pizza hit the road, winning hearts and taste buds from coast to coast. As Americans moved around, they took their pizza love with them. The rise of cars and highways in the mid-20th century made pizza's journey even more epic. Road trips just wouldn't be the same without a pizza pit stop. Who's up for a slice? Savvy pizzaiolos saw a golden opportunity to spread the pizza love. They packed their recipes, dough-tossing skills and dreams, and set out to share pizza joy across America. Just like in Naples, pizza could be customized to fit local tastes and preferences. Whether it was a classic New York slice or a regional twist, pizza had cemented its place as an American favorite. Chicago, the city that never shies away from bold flavors, decided to give pizza a twist of its own. And voila, the Chicago-style deep dish pizza was born. Deliciousness overload. This isn't just any pizza, it's a thick, buttery, pie-like creation that's a feast for the senses. The deep dish magic started back in the 1940s at Pizzeria Uno. Ike Sewell, the mastermind behind it all, wanted a pizza that was hearty, filling, and totally unique. The secret to a true Chicago deep dish? It's all about the layering, baby. First, you press the dough into a deep, round pan, making a solid base for all those tasty toppings. Then you pile on a generous layer of cheese, followed by a mountain of toppings. Think classic pepperoni, sausage, or even something wild. Finally, the sauce goes on top, spooned over the cheese and toppings for that perfect finish. The showdown between New York's thin crust and Chicago's deep dish is the stuff of legends, sparking fun debates among pizza lovers everywhere. It's a culinary clash of the titans, with each style having its own squad of die-hard fans. New York thin crust fans rave about its simplicity and elegance. The thin, crispy crust is the perfect canvas for a tasty sauce and just the right amount of cheese. It's a pizza that's made for folding and eating on the go, New York style. Chicago deep dish fans love the indulgence of their hometown favorite. The thick, buttery crust is practically a meal on its own, loaded with a mountain of toppings. The thin crust versus deep dish debate is all about personal taste. There's no right or wrong answer here, just a shared love for this delicious and versatile food. As pizza mania took over, pizza chains and franchises started popping up all over the place. These pizza empires, with their catchy logos and consistent recipes, made grabbing a slice easier than ever. No longer just a city thing, you could now find pizza in every town and suburb across the country. Pizza Hut, which started in 1958, really kicked off the whole pizza franchise craze. Brothers Frank and Dan Carney opened their first spot in Wichita, Kansas with just $600 borrowed from their mom. Their pan pizza, with its crispy, buttery crust, quickly became a nationwide hit. Domino's, which came onto the scene in 1960, changed the game with their promise of hot, fresh pizza delivered in 30 minutes or less. Their focus on speed and convenience was a big hit with busy families and pizza fans everywhere. The rise of these pizza giants totally transformed the American food scene. World War II had a surprising twist. It helped make pizza a big deal in the US. American soldiers in Italy got hooked on this cheesy delight. When they came back home, they brought with them not just war stories, but a serious pizza craving. They hunted down Italian joints and pizzerias, eager to get a taste of that deliciousness again. This pizza love from returning vets kicked off a pizza craze. Pizzerias started getting creative, adding new toppings and perfecting their pies. The post-war pizza boom made pizza a staple in American pop culture and our hearts. Pizza isn't just food, it's a vibe, a staple of American culture. It's the life of the party, the ultimate people magnet. Pizza night is a beloved tradition, where families and friends come together, swap stories, and dig into some cheesy goodness. From chill hangouts to birthday bashes, from game day feasts to late-night cram sessions, pizza is the go-to munchie for every occasion. It's the ultimate crowd pleaser, with flavors that hit all the right notes. Pizza and pop culture, a match made in heaven. From the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles' pepperoni obsession to countless movie and TV show cameos, this iconic slice has carved out its spot in entertainment history. What makes pizza such a hit with everyone? It's all about the simplicity, the endless options, and that warm, fuzzy feeling it brings. Think of pizza as a delicious blank canvas. With so many crusts, sauces, cheeses, and toppings to choose from, the sky's the limit. Whether you're into classic pepperoni, fancy veggie, or something wild, there's a pizza for you. Pizza has this awesome way of bringing back great memories. In a world that's always changing, pizza is that comforting constant. It's always pizza time. From the bustling streets of Naples to becoming America's favorite comfort food, pizza's journey is a delicious tale of cultural fusion and fun times. It's a story of immigrants bringing their flavors, chefs getting creative, and everyone chasing that perfect slice. Pizza in America is as diverse as the country itself, with every region adding its own twist. From New York's iconic thin crust to Chicago's hearty deep dish, each place has made pizza their own. Pizza isn't just food, it's part of the American lifestyle, from movie nights to birthday parties. So next time you grab a slice, remember the epic journey it took to get to your plate. Pizza's story is legendary, and it's here to stay in our hearts and on our tables.